Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data. Backup photos, contacts, and any app data to cloud or a PC because factory reset erases everything. Once done, make sure the battery is at least 50% and remove the micro SD card to avoid accidental formatting. You'll also need your Google account credentials to bypass FRP. Now power the phone off, then press and hold volume down together with power until the Oppo logo appears to enter recovery mode. This begins the reset process. You'll now perform the actual wipe. Once in recovery, use volume keys to highlight options and press power to select. Navigate to Wipe Data/Factory Reset and choose it. When prompted, confirm by selecting Yes so the system clears user data and settings. Make sure you don't interrupt power during this stage. Let the phone complete the process. Once the wipe finishes, the recovery menu will return. This confirms the factory reset was executed, and you can move to rebooting the device. You finish by selecting Reboot System Now from Recovery and Waiting. First boot may take several minutes as the system rebuilds apps and optimize runtime. After it starts, follow the setup prompts. Connect to Wi-Fi, sign into your Google account, and restore your backed up data. If you encounter problems, make sure to try wiping the cache partition first if the phone still won't boot. Reflash the stock firmware using Oppo's official tool on a PC as the key troubleshooting step to recover the device.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.